how to turn off closed captioning on ESPN Plus. So you can do both ways if it's gonna be from the web browser on your laptop or through the ESPN Plus application. So there are two things that you can go ahead and check. First thing is you can go ahead and navigate to your account settings, and by there you should be able to see the CC option, which is going to be your closed captioning. Now, if you would like to turn off the closed captioning on a specific video, then you'll have to play the video, and closed captioning or CC will be visible at the lower right portion of the screen while playing the video. So for you to turn it off, just simply tap on that logo and you should be able to check other options such as any language for the current CC or the closed captioning you want, and you can also turn it off. So those are the things that you can check and do for you to be able to turn off closed captioning on ESPN Plus.